New year, new notebooks, new lectures, and even a new you. So whether you're starting sixth form, uni, or anything in between, Microsoft 365 can help you stay on top of your classes and your coursework. Titles! Everyone knows Word and PowerPoint are solid for assignments, but Microsoft 365's got way more up its sleeve. From smart planning to effortless note-taking, we're going to set you up for the best term yet. So grab a brew or a biscuit and let's crack on. So it's the first week of term and you are swimming in syllabuses. Well, take a deep breath because we have got this. First, you can start by blocking out recurring calendar events for your lectures, seminars, and your extracurriculars. In Outlook, just create a new event, hit Make Recurring, and set it to match your timetable. Want alerts before that English class starts? Easy. Add reminders so you're not rushing in with a half-zipped bag. You can even tweak availability if you don't want mates booking your free hour for coffee when you've got guitar practice. Pro tip, once this is done, jump into the to-do section in Outlook, create lists like assignments or presentations, and then fill in tasks with due dates. You can attach files, add subtasks, and even link deadlines back to your calendar. Now, what if you're feeling swamped by long email threads about group projects too? Well, Copilot in Outlook has got you. Select the thread that's giving you a headache and ask Copilot to summarize chats or extract action points buried in professors' emails. And boom, instant clarity. Reply with Copilot too and save time for the bigger stuff like actually studying or watching that show that everybody keeps banging on about. Now, ever tried to jot down lecture notes only to realize that you missed half of the good bits? Yep, been there a lot. Well, here you can use OneNote to record the whole session and transcribe it while you listen. You stay engaged, the app does the legwork, and after class, if you're prepping for a study group or revising for mock exams, you can just ask Copilot in OneNote to summarize those transcripts, and then you are sorted. Great. Right, now for the fun bit, projects and essays. And there's gonna be a few of them, right? Well, don't worry, the Microsoft 365 apps that you use to create your masterpieces have Copilot in them too. So whether it's PowerPoint, Excel, or Word that you're using, Copilot can help here and make your work stand out. Here's another pro tip. You've finished your essay in Word, obviously using Microsoft Editor to keep your grammar on point, and now you're unsure as to whether it's good enough. Well, you can use Copilot in the app and simply ask it to score this paper with feedback and marks as if it was a uni professor, and then state the score system that your professor may use. It will then give you the feedback and the scores for you to review and then tweak your work for a better result. Don't forget that you have 1 terabyte of cloud storage with a subscription too, which keeps everything backed up and shareable with OneDrive, which means that you can store millions of Word documents and access them anywhere you wanted. But I'm sure it won't actually be that many, will it? Quick heads up here too, with a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription, Copilot and its AI features are only for the main account holder. So if you choose a family plan and you want to share, personal might actually be the way to go. So there you have it, from planning your timetable and powering through tasks to even wrestling all of that coursework, you've got this term sorted. Now go out there and show the world that you and Microsoft 365 are the term time tag team champions. Well, that was a mouthful. Now go ahead and give these hacks and features that I've mentioned a whirl and drop a comment below and tell us how you got on. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to see when more videos like this go live. I've been Matt, you've been watching Microsoft Expert Zone UK and I will catch you all on the flip side. Peace!